I know it might be a little bit blurry just because of the camera distance. But what I need to do is I have this right here, which is just barely holding on. It's already fallen off once. So all I'm going to do is to solder that today to keep that piece from coming off. Alright, so this is what I had to solder right here, and I didn't have the best view for the camera, but that is definitely not going anywhere now. See if I can get that in focus. Alright, so what I did this time is I tried heating up this to the point where the solder would go in and behind. It feels pretty snug, so it should be all set. And if I was able to see from here, I could probably solder in behind there as well, but I can't really get into there with the bulky equipment I have, so that hopefully will hold up over the long term. I mean, it's not going anywhere, so it should be all set. So I think what happened is it's been a long time since I've done any soldering. And once I did the first time, it popped off, and I looked at it. There's a little small hole in the center you can't see. What I did is I heated up the whole section this time so that when I'm soldering, it's going into that center piece, into the snap-on portion. I wiggled that quite a bit, and it is not coming off.